If you're experiencing login issues with the US Bank mobile app, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double-check the username and password you are entering. Make sure there are no typos and that the caps lock is not accidentally turned on. If you've forgotten your password, use the password recovery option. Step 3. Update the app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the US Bank mobile app installed. Go to your device's app store, check for updates, and install any available updates to fix potential bugs. Step 4. Clear app cache. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use sRUC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to US Bank customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance and help you resolve any account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.